been about a month since I got the iron perm in Korea, and that was after the signature 15-step scalp treatment at Park June Beauty Salon, and then a haircut, and then the iron perm. So now, they didn't cut my hair that much, but it's grown out quite a bit, and I feel like the sides are getting quite long, and they're starting to touch my ears, which is kind of annoying. So, after quite a bit of research, I finally found a salon in Irvine that knows how to cut Korean permed hair. So let's see how this goes. Here's the finished product. It's much shorter than I thought, but it's okay. Aki, what do you think of my haircut? Oh, not interested? Oh, It's definitely much cleaner, so that's good. No longer bothering my ears. I think I might go back there. Zema was really good. The hairstylist that I had was named Zema, who turned out to be a Korean lady. Just what I wanted. Oh, so happy, Haku. Haku just got back from his walk. Hello vlog, so look what just came in. I just ordered the Hoka Mach 6 after much research because my current workout shoes and like running shoes, I just looked it up and they were from 2017. So it's definitely time to get some new ones. And my friend is running a half marathon in January, so I thought maybe I would join her and start training for that. I have run 2 of them before, but it's been a couple years since that happened, and I'm excited to test my body again now that I'm 30. Ooh. So I did try them on REI, but I didn't want to buy them there because they only had the display shoe that was on display in my size. So I ordered them online instead, and I got them in all white because I've never had like all white shoes before. They've always been like gray or black. So pretty excited to try these out. So much more support and cushioning than my old Nike Free Runs. The running era begins now.
Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. I can't really take it anymore.
Hey guys, welcome to Johnny's YouTube channel. We're testing the new DJI mic, and we are at Summerfield right now.
Vlog takeover by Joey.
Vlog takeover. Ooh, we should show them the French fries right now. Show them what we got. All right.
I can see the screen, so.
Okay. So we got the French fries over here, and then Johnny got a moonlight drink. You want to show him your drink? Oh, you don't want to be in the camera? You want to be in the frame?
I'm coming. Wait, it's not even in focus.
Yeah, it's
What
not.
are we doing?
It's out of focus.
We're here at Summerfield. Joey's here too. We got the popcorn chicken, of course, and the house fries.
Yep. Got a roasted oolong tea over here. And Johnny got...
This one is the Moonlight, which is like a, what was it? I forgot. Earl Grey, I think,
Yeah,
with boba and grass jelly.
grass jelly. And then you try these fries. I don't know what kind of seasoning they put on it, but it's really like tasty. What do you think that is?
It almost tastes like potato corner, I think.
I've never had that before.
But it's good.
It's really good. They have popcorn chicken. Try? Did you ever try?
Not yet.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not bad. So that's it. New thing that happened today, recently, is Johnny got these cool DJI mics, lapel mics that I'm not putting on my lapel.
Got the pandan latte and a ham and cheese croissant.